If you're watching this video on a typical 2D screen, you're only getting half the picture. Images that pull you into the display, adding depth and texture, giving different meaning, and bringing your creations to life in entirely new ways. Creators, this is your new canvas, Leia's LoomPad. It all starts with the screen. At Leia, we've developed a single optical layer that sits just underneath the LCD display, giving it near magical properties. At first glance, that screen looks bright, sharp, and, well, normal. When the 3D effect isn't activated, though, is when the LoomPad truly shines. Lights pass through Leia's proprietary DLB layer, creating a dynamic 3D light field effect. The light projects out 4 views simultaneously, 4V, and suddenly, the screen looks a lot less flat. The LoomPad's 10.8-inch screen might be what you're focused on, but there's a lot going into the design of this Android 10 tablet. The LoomPad offers the power you need to run the most demanding Android apps behind the scenes, and when you're ready to view and show off your work to others, the screen's 16:10 aspect ratio makes the perfect platform for dazzling demos. Of course, this 4V screen deserves a camera capable enough to show it off. The 16-megapixel rear-mounted lenses, paired with the onboard LeiaCam app, captures pictures and video as well as real-time depth maps. You can go from taking 4V content to lightly editing and sharing it all from the LoomPad. Give your light-filled photos a quick touch-up as you're taking them on the LoomPad. Adjust depth maps on the fly, add pops of color, relight them, or add unique 3D style filters, all from within the Leia Player app. You can even breathe new life into the old 2D images you already have, thanks to a quick 3D conversion function that's already built in. Whether you've polished your content on the LoomPad or your workstation, it's time to share them with Leia's HoloPix, the 3D imaging social network. Leia's HoloPix is the social home for 4V, SBS 3D, and light field imaging. Share your content and connect with an active community of fellow creators. In fact, anything you post here will jump off their screens as well, since HoloPix is on all devices that are lit by Leia. Where HoloPix is a great collection of 4V images shared with a growing network of creators, LeiaStream lets you explore amazing 3D videos. Leia's new video network is built specifically for everything that you create. Whether it's 3D video shot on a LoomPad, or even video you've converted to 3D with Leia's Lightfield Studio software, LeiaStream is the perfect venue to share your visions with the world. The Leia Loft store is already loaded with over 50 3D apps that will jump off your LoomPad screen. Experience a wide array of 3D games and apps that can inspire you to create even more with your tablet. And for all you developers out there, Leia supports all the major software that you use. Unity, Maya, Blender, to name just a few, and we are always working toward including more. So, whether you're looking to create original 4V content or you want to elevate your work into a whole new dimension, the LoomPad is a great device for you to visualize models and see your work in a whole new way. The LoomPad Creators Edition. What will you make first?